Truthfully, after the lesson happened, I kind of forgot about it. Until a week later when Mr. M came into class, and he had a very different demeanor than he normally had. And he walked to the front of the classroom and he went, all right, everyone, I have an announcement to make. Today is going to be my last day teaching you. Turns out that someone complained about the lesson that I taught last week. It even lied to the principal and said that I threw a chair at a student. And then he said, I'm not mad, but I just want to know who did it. And then he started walking around the room. And he walked up to this girl sitting in the front row named Ariana. And he went, Ariana, someone in my first period class thinks that you did it. And she got very defensive. She was like, I didn't do anything. I didn't talk to the principal. I didn't talk to my parents. I didn't talk to anyone. And then Mr. M looked at the class and said, by show of hands, who here thinks Ariana did it? And slowly kids started raising their hand. 1 kid, 2 kids, 3 kids. I raised my hand, not because I thought Ariana did it, but because I knew if I didn't have my hand raised, then I could be the target of his question. And he said, well, Ariana, looks like everyone in class thinks that you did it. Because of you, I am losing my job. I am going to have to sell my car. I'm moving back in with my parents. And then Ariana starts crying. She is bawling her eyes out. She is inconsolable. At which point, Mr. M goes back to the front of the classroom and he says, I have one more announcement to make. And then he goes, today will actually not be my last day teaching. And then he goes, this was all a lesson on what it was like to be a woman during the Salem witch trials. He went, look at how quickly you all turned on sweet Danielle. How whipped up you got by the fear and hysteria. He said, I hope you all leave this class with a newfound appreciation on the dangers of false accusations.